Good evening, guys. My name is Rajendra. Welcome to Learn Testing Easy at Home channel. Today, we are going to learn what is a defect, what is a bug, what is error, and what is the difference between testing and debugging. We are going to learn these things today in this video, and you don't need to watch at screen. Just listen to my voice. That will be enough to get to know these topics. And first one is what is defect. Defect is the variance between expected and actual result that is found by test engineer while performing testing on a software application. That is a defect. Next one is bug. Bug is also a bug is also a defect. I will give what is the difference between bug and defect. Whenever we find a defect, it can be done by manually or automation. Whenever we find a defect, it has to be communicated to the developer or development lead as it has to be fixed, and development lead has to decide it is that valid defect or not. If it is accepted by the development lead as it is a valid defect, that will be called as bug. For that reason only, developers will perform debugging to locate and fix it. So whenever test engineer finds variance between expected and actual result, variance between expected and actual result, that is called a defect. And once it is communicated to the development lead, if it is accepted by the development lead as it is a defect according to requirement document, then that will be called as a bug. Next, error. Whatever the mistake that we commit in code level, it can be either in test scripts or an application code, that will be called as an error. And this is a defect, a bug, and an error. Next one is what is the difference between testing and debugging. Testing is nothing but it is a process of executing an application under test with the intent of finding defects and to make sure whether the software meets customer requirements and expectations or not. That is testing. But debugging is nothing but it is a process of locating and fixing the defect. Testing will be done by test engineers, and development and debugging will be done by developers. And to perform testing, so we don't need to have any knowledge about the code, but to perform debugging we should have knowledge about the code. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much.